Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBPUSD and GBPJPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in both of these instruments. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that GBPUSD and GBPJPY currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that this is a long term bullish market. Starting with this monthly impulse, we see that GBPUSD creating series of higher low from the longer term perspective. And as a result, we saw that previous months there is a bullish candle that has a long wick at the top. And this month so far, we have seen that GBPUSD from this previous resistance here, turn support has created this strong bullish candle. So far in the first 2 weeks, we have seen that GBPUSD has gone up for this bullish move. Currently, the price is coming down, which is a pullback of this move. As we have seen an impulse coming down for a pullback, we can expect another movement to the upside on GBPUSD from longer term perspective. From the weekly perspective on this instrument, we see that previous week, this is a strong bullish candle that has a very long wick at the bottom, and also there is a long wick at the top. And this is a typically a bullish candle. Now, this week so far, we have seen that once the market opened, created a lower high, immediately started to drop. Now, as we see that the market left this previous swing high, which is the previous resistance, turning support here, and we see that this is a typically bullish market creating series of higher high and higher low. What I think that GU now might come back down again to this previous resistance here, which is turning support here, testing this level, and then we can expect again another bullish move, as it is a long term bullish market. Now, dropping down to the daily time frame, we can see the previous day there is a daily liquidity candle that has crossed this dodge's low and formed this bearish candle. Now with that bearish candle today, once the market opened, we saw that there is a strong drop in this instrument. Now if we look at this overall movement, this is the daily strong bullish move. The price is coming down, which is a very healthy in a trending market. Now if we place our Fibonacci from starting of this move to the end of the move, we can see that the price is now currently approaching this golden ratio of Fibonacci, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci level. Now, if we compare this confluence with other area of value, we see this is the previous swing low, which is the previous resistance, turning support here, and also you see there is a daily 20 EMA. If we compare the 8-year or average true range perspective, if we see that from daily perspective the price is hitting that important level, we could see that it's almost more than 2 or 1.5 ATR. That's the sign of there is a potentially uh, GBP USD might have a bounce from this level. Now, this is where we'll be waiting on the lower time frame. If we look at the 4-hour perspective, we see that this level also aligning with quite a few high confluence zone. Below this level, there is a high liquidity, and there is also high liquidity below this doji. And as you know, the price moves from liquidity to liquidity. We saw that there is a huge liquidity gap here, and from this zone, GBPUSD coming down to the another liquidity zone, and in the same day there's a massive drop, can give GBPUSD a very high probability for reversal from this point. Now this is where I will be waiting for a potential bullish trading opportunity on GBPUSD according to the rules of our strategy. If we find suitable, and we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our student based on the current time price section. Now let's look at GBPJPY. Now, from GBPJPY perspective, we see that this market is very strongly bullish market. Even we can expect it to be strongly bullish than GBPUSD. As you can see, this is the monthly price action, and from this level, we saw that GBPUSD has created this strong impulse to the upside, and we saw that this month so far the market has come down for a deeper pullback. What I think that we could see a bit more down, and the price might try to break this monthly low, and then we can expect another attempt from the buyer, as it is a long-term bullish market. Now, if we look at the weekly, we can see that the price previous week there is a doji, and this is the trend line that the price is respecting. What I think that as we see that from the weekly there is a strong impulse, the price is coming down for a pullback, and I think if the price come back down to this level before breaking this low or breaking this low, we can expect another attempt from the buyers on GBP JPY from the weekly perspective. Now, looking at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective also the price action showing potentially bullish trading opportunity. Now, if we look at this two level, we see that this is the previous swing low on the daily, and after breaking this low we saw that there is a strong reaction from the buyers, and now the price again slowly coming down. But if we compare this price action, this is the bullish impulse, and the bearish movement is very slower, and the price is forming narrower doji. What I think that GBPUSD any point, if we see that the price is reacting from this level, we can expect to go up again, as we see that it's a long-term bull market, and highly likely we can expect a reaction towards its long-term uptrending direction. Now, from the further lower time frame, from 4 hour perspective, if we look at the smart money area, we can see that below this 4 hour candle there is a strong rejection. From here the price is coming down to that level. What I think that if we see this current session candle or later the price has broken this is the smart money zone, this level, and had a strong rejection, especially from this level we are expecting along the zone. If we see the GBPJPY giving us suitable entry for this potential bullish move, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know the levels that we are looking to trade, either buy or sell on GBPUSD and GBPJPY. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.